guys, Brady here with the Come Home team of Keller Williams Market Pro Realty. And if you checked in the Facebook page last week, you probably saw that I promised you guys a video on how you can create some passive income to replace your salary so that you can retire early. So I'm going to give it my best shot. This is live, not edited, so apologies ahead of time if this feels a little weird. I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm going to use round numbers because despite what you might think, I can't do math in my head. So here we go. Let's start with a pen first. So let's say that right now you are making $60,000 a year, right? So $60,000 per year, which is going to be $5,000 a month. That is math that I can do in my head. Thank you. So $5,000 gross per month is your current salary. So how can you invest your cash so that you can create passive income that's going to replace that salary? That's what we're going to talk about today. And being a realtor, you might have imagined that I would say invest in real estate. And yes, I think you should invest in real estate. There are other things that you can invest in, and they may or may not provide you with the return that you're looking for. But what I believe as a real estate realtor professional is that homes appreciate, and the nationwide average of appreciation on a home is about 4%. Now, in Northwest Arkansas, we live in a little bit of a bubble, so you're going to get an even better return on your investment than the 4%. So just stay with it, go with it, and you'll see what I'm talking about, okay? So let's say $5,000 a month is your salary, and you're going to buy a home. You're going to buy a home for $200,000. Those are very hard to come by these days because that's what everybody wants to buy. So if you're lucky enough to have a realtor find you a home for $200,000, where you're not overpaying, which is very hard in this crazy market today, but it can be done. This is what I'm saying you should do. Buy a home for $200,000. You can buy a home for $200,000 if you put 20% down. Okay, so 20% is $40,000 for your down payment. Okay, so then your loan is going to be $160,000 for your loan. Yes, that's math I can do in my head. This morning I got an email. I think the interest rate right now is 2.75 on a 30-year fixed. And of course that depends on what your credit score is, but we're going to go with 2.75. So what is your payment with property taxes and insurance on a loan for $160,000? I did the math ahead of time, so I'm just going to tell you it is going to be approximately $900 a month. So for $900 a month, you can buy a home for $200,000. So where does the passive income come from? It comes from rental property. One thing is for sure that's happening around here is that it's very hard to find a home under $250,000. Money is cheap, 2.75 interest rate. What is not going down is the rent rate. So the average rent rate in Northwest Arkansas for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath is going to be about $1,300. Okay, so rent $1,300 per month. Now you guys can do the math. If you're paying $900 a month and you're renting for $1,300 a month, you're getting a cash return of $400 a month while you're building equity into this $200,000 home. That's how you're going to create passive income to replace your salary. Now, if you're making $5,000 a month, I can't do that math in my head either. Take the $5,000, divide it by 400. That's how many homes you need to get. It's going to take some time, right? So let's just say you need 10 homes to replace your $5,000 a month. Okay, that would be a $500 return. I can do that math. $500 return. Okay, means you need 10 homes to replace your $5,000 gross income. You can buy one home every year, and in 10 years, you've replaced your current salary. So, for example, for me, I'm not going to tell you how old I am. For somebody that is 40, for example, if they can save the cash every year, the $40,000 that it will take to put the 20% down, if you can save that every year and purchase a home for $200,000, you can bankroll 400, maybe 500 if you get a really good rental every single month. And once you do that, if you've got 10 homes and you're doing that, you've got $5,000 worth of passive income. You don't have to work anymore. So that's my solution to help you retire early. Take your cash, invest it in real estate. I can tell you right now that the appreciation of the homes from this year versus last year, so 2020 versus 2019, is about 12%. That's not normal, but that is what's going on here in Northwest Arkansas right now. If this is something that you want to do, if you have any more questions, I'd be absolutely happy to sit down and talk to you about it some more. So you can give me a call or a text. The number's 479-685-6962. Be more than happy to sit down with you and talk to you about this, show you some options. There are pockets in the Northwest Arkansas area that are better for rental properties than others, and so you want to make sure to be smart in your purchases and in your investments. But that's what I got for you. Hope that you enjoyed the show. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please, please share this with your family and your friends. They will thank you for helping them learn how to replace their salary early, get the passive income, and retire so that they can have fun, no more work. Anyway, thanks guys. I appreciate your support. I will talk to you soon.